and I forgot. This is the light we used. Since we had no taillights at nighttime, this is the light we used. I attached this to my backpack. That's it. There was 3 different modes. That's the highest mode right there. It was a little lower, off. So we had it on this. That's how people could see me riding through the nighttime. Got pulled over one time in Colorado. Dude let me go. So thank you, officer, let me get home. But yeah, it was pretty dangerous. Probably the trip was the most dangerous thing I've done in my entire life, I think. There was times when I was getting knocked off the road by semi-trucks. I came out. One time the bike didn't start. I ran out of gas, and I was like in a mountain when I ran out of gas. So if you ain't ready to risk your life for this shit, don't get a bike.